Well, can you get out? Does it look like it, Mom? You need help? What'd you get in there for? Oh, you're happy to be out? Whoa! What'd you go back in for? Why do you want to go in there if you want me to get... You made a mess in here. You made a mess. Can you say hi to Kiki? Look. Tatum. Say hi, Kiki. Whoa, where are you going? What, are you drunk? Back in the drawer. Oh, help me, I'm stuck. Help yourself this time. Look at your pants. Say hi. Look at Mommy.